All right, all right, all right. Welcome back to episode number 3, I think. I'm doing this all like this is all in one day, by the way. 1, 2, and 3 all been recorded in a row here. So to get to our next thing here on tier 2, I kind of want to do everything, but I think a logistics mark 2 or this is probably our next best bet here is our resource sink. And resource sinks are used for more or less just what do you call it? Like, um, oh man, what's the word here? Visual stuff and different kinds of things. We got like concrete, asphalt, different finishes, things like that. Nothing that's really gonna change the game too much, other than cosmetics. That's the word. But we can do that. While we wait on everything to get done, though, we do need to go ahead and make ourselves. I think last time we were about to make the assembler, but we still need more. What do you call it? Plates, reinforced plates, and put that there. Go on our right side, we now have the ingredients for it. We need more reinforced plates and more rotors. Now, we've never made rotors before, but we can go ahead and make the reinforced plates. We should have enough in our inventory. Just go ahead and make them for now. But yeah, so we'll go ahead and make more reinforced plates, and then we'll make our rotors. All right, we have our reinforced plate, but what do we need to make a rotor? Make that, oh, we have more than enough for that. So that's just rods and screws, which is basically the same thing as our reinforced plates, just instead of rods, it's plates. So now we have enough to go ahead and make ourselves an assembler, but I want to go ahead and go ahead and calm down here and make a foundation for us. I think our assembler stuff can go ahead and be placed. Honestly, we have this here, that there. I think we're going to take advantage of the void here. Well, not, I guess the void, the cliff. And start building out here. I think that might be the best thing, just for now at least. So go ahead and... get this placed. I don't like that. Let's go ahead and do that. And zoop. We'll go ahead and make a giant platform out here. And now I need more iron plates. But yeah, this is where our assembler stuff will go. We'll put miners down here, belt it over here, and more or less recreate pretty much the same setup we have there. But I want to leave that stuff for crafting recipes and all that, because there's no reason for us to use it all. And I forgot to save enough iron plates to make a ramp to go up here. That's my fault. Alright, now we have more plates, and one other thing, if you didn't know, is you can actually, you see the bottom left next to a hotbar, there's a number 2 there. So I'm on the second hotbar I have saved, and if you hold Alt and then scroll wheel, you can switch between hotbars. So usually I like to do like one hotbar for foundations and stuff, and then one for a conveyor belt work, more or less, and power. So you get power lines, conveyor belts, and stuff like that, and splitters and stuff. So what we can do here is go ahead and that's... I don't like either of them. Go ahead and do this. Just do that. And for now, it is ugly, but it gets the job done. So now we don't have to run around. And we just come back up. So that's nice. Now I need to finish out this platform. Alright, I think this platform will do for now, at least. But what we're going to do here is make it, expand it by 1. I always say it's big enough that I just go ahead. Let me just expand it by 1. Or 2. Alright, now we're probably fine. Now we have enough room here to work with. What we're going to need here is 4 smelters, because we have 2 iron nodes over there. So we'll go ahead and place our smelters here, 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 and there. Now we have 4 smelters. We also need to get power down here as well. And we need to place our miners. Oh, we have enough miners actually. Or yeah, enough in our inventory. Need to remove this thing here so we can place our miner down. Go. And there we go. Now we have our miner. I need to get rid of all of this, but good thing we have a chainsaw. And I'll go ahead and bring power down here and then get this set up for smelting it all. Just look at the range on this stuff. It's great. I can stand here and all the way get power over there. That's great. I don't remember if it used to be that far or not. But it is much better. So now our miners have power and we have more than enough capacity here. So not worried about that one bit. I did run out of solid biofuel for our chainsaw though, which sucks. All right, there we go. Got the power down here. We are taking our iron out of the miners and splitting them into these 4 things set to smelt iron ingots. And now we go forward with our thing to go ahead and make, we'll split this up. So this is going to be our assembler area. So we're going to make the reinforced plating and also the rotors down here. So what we can do is, let's see. We for sure need iron plates. That's a given. So one constructor for sure needs to be like, put it over here and then just connect it like so. And here we'll make iron plates, 30 per minute. Put it out of the way. And we will come here, do this, do that, hook that up. And now we have a thing making iron plates for us. And then let's see. We're going to need another thing to make iron rods, because rods are for sure needed. Let's see. Can I craft things in here or see what they need in here? So we got the foundation walls. Let's go ahead back up to our base and check out to see if like what's the reinforced and the other thing need. I'm pretty sure they both, one needs plate and screws and then one needs rod and screws. So actually I know that's what it needs now that I think about it. So what we're going to do here is we'll have one thing dedicated to plates, one thing dedicated to rods, and only one thing dedicated to rods. The rest will be dedicated to screws. So if we come here and make ourselves another constructor, I'll put it here. It's kind of quick and dirty, but it'll have to do. So if we come in here, do this, iron rods. So we have 15 per minute. This produces 30, so we have to split this off anyway. Get the maximum efficiency. And what I'll do, split here, go into there. I think these already need to be moved. I'm just stupid. I don't know. I do this every time. I just place down smelters first, even though you really should be doing it last. So I'm gonna go ahead and just move now. Yeah, I do it every time, and I remembered. I tell myself, oh, I shouldn't do that, but I keep doing it. So now we need. What we need is to tell you to make rods. You're making rods. You to go ahead and make me another power line. 3. Connect you there. Connect you here. And now we have rods. Let's go ahead and. Oh, why did you not? Okay. So we have one thing for here, and then one thing for here. So these are done. These are our resources that we'll be using for whatever. And this makes 15 per minute. Okay. 15, 15. Got it. The rest will be used for screws completely. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and... We have all this room. Gotta start using it. We'll get another constructor here. And if we come in this and look at iron rods, you need 15 per minute. Okay, so if we split it into 2, we'll have 30 each, which means we'll have 16 or 60. I'll do math on that one. All right, so I got it. If you hit the, I forgot what key it is, but you can do a calculator for this. So 60 divided by 15 is 4, which means we need 4 constructors here to take in that. I feel like I knew that already, but I just forgot. But I need more reinforced plating. Almost automating it, so we're almost there. That I don't have to keep making this stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and make more. Place down our constructors, and then we'll be good to go. Okay, so I have the basics hooked up here. We have the 2 smelters splitting the 60, so they each produce 30. And they all come back into here to this merger, and they come out here and get split. So here we'll be making the rods 15, 15, 15, 15. Like I said, we needed 4 earlier. Then we have all that, and then we need to come over here and actually start merging them again. So all these 4 need to get merged. So if we come into here, we want the output to be this way. And then we go ahead and do this. We also need another merger to go there. Another merger to go there. We go ahead and start hooking up all this good stuff. Boom, boom, boom. Nope, wait, what's happening? There we go. Why are you acting the way you're acting? Okay, thank you. Okay. There we go. Then all of it gets merged onto these belts. Here, 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 here. And then we'll come here and we need to make more constructor. To make ourselves... let's see, where is it? Screws. So you need 10 per minute, and we are producing 60. So we need 6 of these constructors. Okay. Yeah, we need quite a few more. There we go. There we go. And there we go. So now we have 4. We need 2 more, which means I need more reinforced plating. But before we take care of the reinforced plating, if we come over here and look at our power supply, you can see our max consumption is now higher than our capacity. So I need to go add more biomass burners up there. Before I hook this up to make that, I'll probably need to add another, probably 3 biomass burners. And then we will continue with the assembler process. All right, update here. I have some more things hooked up. So we have everything kind of hooked up from here like last time. I'm merging it all over. It looks a little messy now because I got things a little wrong. But again, I don't really care because this is not our final base by any stretch of the imagination. And I imagine I will be tearing down a lot of this and redoing it. Not in the not too distant future anyway. So now we're making 40 times 6, which is 240, I think, if I'm not mistaken. Screws per minute, which hopefully should be good. What are you? You're making more iron rods. I don't know that we necessarily need more, per se. I don't know. I guess I'll keep it over here just for now, at least. We'll go ahead and do that, and then merge them together here. Then take this out and probably store this, or not store it, but it'll go into our thing. So now we have, what do we have? 30 rods per minute, and then this should be 20 plates per minute. Okay. But screws should be good for now. And now we can go ahead and make our assembler. Okay, so assembler number 1 will go... I don't even know where I want it, to be honest. Let's put assembler number 1 like right here ish. Okay. So for here, smart plating, no. We want reinforced iron plate. So it needs 60 screws per minute and 30 iron plates. So we actually don't have enough iron plates. Interesting. So in fact, we're only doing... Okay. We have that. Now let's go ahead and... Can I make another one? I need more smart plating. Or reinforced plating. So I'm going to make reinforced plating. Actually, let's see. We have it here. So if I change the recipe to rotors, we need 20 rods per minute. Let's see. So we actually need all these rods. We can't repurpose that. We have 30 rods per minute, which is a little more than we need. But that's fine. And then 100 screws per minute. So we have 240. We need 100 screws per minute plus... We need 160. So we still have... What's that? 80 per minute left over. That's kind of nice. Let's see. Okay. So we for sure need another one of these and another assembler. So we'll make one for smart plating, one for rotors. But I don't think that should be too bad. We need to get some way to make more iron plates. Or we just like kind of leave it the way it is for now. I think it's kind of what I'm leaning towards, just leaving it the way it is. It won't be 100% efficient. We'll be lacking 10 plates per minute. But I want to leave these up here because these are used for foundations and a whole bunch of other stuff and crafting and things like that. So I don't really want to use anything up here because a lot of this, like I said, is used for other things that I need it for around the base. So I don't really want to use that. I think for right now, we'll just take the hit and not be 100% efficient on that, which is fine. We're in the beginning stages, so I'm not really too worried about it. So I'm gonna go ahead and craft this up and get another assembler down there, and then we'll... Okay, so I hooked up our both of our assemblers here, and we are not going to be producing near enough power. So it's down here right now, like our actual like production and our how much we're consuming is down here, but that's just because nothing down here is running. It's all at a standstill. It's ready to be used, but it's not being used quite yet. So because of that, we're not producing or not using as much power. So it looks like it's okay for now, but it will very quickly become not okay. So I need to go back up and make some more biomass burners. Oh man, I can't wait to get to coal power. I've just been manually crafting biomass with the wood I gather, and then auto crafting biomass with leaves just because I don't know. And then I just go over here. Any leaves I dump in there to turn into biomass, and then the rest that I actually make myself, go ahead and dump all into here. And then from here, our absolute clusterfuck. It makes 0 sense, but it's kept us powered so far, so not all of them have power. So hopefully... Oh, these aren't even connected yet. Whoops. Go ahead and connect these bad boys. There we go. Now let's see. There we go. We have the ability to make more than the max consumption, which is fantastic now. But now we can actually worry about creating this smart plating. We also need to get into the resource sink, but we don't need it quite yet because we're not backfilled on anything, so we wouldn't necessarily need to worry about it as of right now. So what I'm thinking now is we go ahead and start connecting up our smelters. Go ahead, put you here, there. Let's get a splitter. Straight mode there. Okay. Now we will start smelting up this. This line will then activate. Everything will start running. And then our, what was it, 240 screws per minute will start being made. So let's come over here. What do you need? You need the iron plates. So we're going to go ahead and grab our plate line. Where do you want to be? Here. And then here. Oh yeah, this straight stuff's great. We'll start just belting in directly our plates because nothing else really needs plates. And then you need 60 screws, and then you need iron rods. We'll go ahead and... I don't even know. Let's just put you here, and then there. Now you have your rods being supplied, but remember our plates aren't going to be able to keep up with demand for this. I don't think our screws will either, no. Because they need 60 per minute, and Mark 1 belts only do... Yeah, we'll be fine for now, but Mark 1 belts can only do transfers 60 per minute, I'm pretty sure. So that'll need it all, and then that needs more than that, so it is what it is. So we'll go ahead here, where our screws are being made, is go ahead and make ourselves a... Not a merger. A splitter. Or a merger, that's what I'm trying to say. Merge, and then... Merge, and then here, merge there, merge there. Should be good to go. Let's start connecting. Oh no, connecting things up. Oh wait, no, you're facing the wrong way. All facing the wrong way. Damn it! I thought I had it. So close. All right, and then just connecting up our last ones here. And now these will need to be belted. I'm out of iron plates. Imagine that. And that's why we keep some of our iron plates up there, is because go through quite a bit making these belts. We'll go and grab some iron plates, and then we'll merge it and split it based on what we need. And yeah, that should be good. Let's go ahead and grab ourselves some iron plates that have been stacking up. Then we... Ooh, buddy. And come back over here. And just get to it, honestly. Alright. So to do this, we're going to need... And belt this here. And then we're going to need to split it out. Because this also needs some. And just for now, this will... Those intersect. I don't really care. At this point right now. So those intersect. And that's totally fine. It still remembers what belt and what things go where. So that's all good. Fine and dandy. So now we should be making rotors. Why are they spinning? What the? Do you spin? Oh, it's just a weird. Now we'll be making rotors automatically and reinforced plating, which is fantastic. Fantastic news. So now that we have that automated, go ahead and check on our power stitch. Oh yeah, we're good. We are bueno in the green. So now I want to actually start progressing on objectives. So our milestone, I guess. Not the objective. We'll do space elevator some other time. Not necessarily that important right now for what we're doing. So here, the resource sink. Go ahead and toss that in. Toss what we have. Now we just need concrete, rods, plates. Okay. All right. We should have everything. Go and dump, dump, dump. And launch. Bada bing, bada boom.
Milestone reached. You have been given access to the anti-waste effort for stress testing of materials on Exoplanet's bonus program, also known as Awesome. Your awesome input allows Fixit to comprehend our amazing universe more clearly. In appreciation of this, we have generously set up an internal, closed economy with exclusive rewards and currency. Directing parts of varying quantity and complexity into the Awesome Resource Sink will grant Fixit coupons. These coupons can be redeemed in the Awesome Shop for highly desirable items such as new foundations, walls, factory attachments, cosmetics, parts, and more. Next time you have additional resources, just remember to go that extra kilometer. Go awesome.
Sweet. Yeah, you pretty much covered what the awesome sink is. We'll build that and an awesome shop. We just need more that plating stuff. So I'll wait here. And then I'm going to divert some of the screws we're making up there into the awesome sink so that we can get more stuff. And it looks like... The screws are definitely our bottleneck now, and that's just because we don't have the... not because we're not producing enough, it's just the belts we have aren't fast enough. They can't move things quick enough, which is going to be our next objective, is to get Mark II belts. And that'll fix this problem real fast. Also, if you're new to Satisfactory, a good thing to do, like while you're waiting for things to craft or whatever, if you have things, you know, set up the way I do, where it's all automated pretty much. You can just go ahead and go around, especially at this point in the game, is just while you're waiting, just go around collecting wood and leaves for biomass. You don't have to do it while you're building stuff. Maximum efficiency. Alright, we have all the materials that we need for the awesome sink. So there is an input for it. I'll go ahead and just build it right here. Now I'm just going to go ahead and split some of these screws off. Why are being difficult. And this thing does, in fact, need power. So go ahead and connect that. And now we should start getting points. So you see here we have the points and everything. Standard points, the next coupon, you'll see 486. All that. And, oh, God. Damn it. Damn, Rookie Bobby. Alright. Let's see. I'm not too worried about this right now. If I go ahead and turn this off and restart it, or Okay, I think that might have been a little too much. I'm not really sure why. How much does this need? In terms of power. Where's the thing? I don't know. I think it might take too much. Let's see. Oh, it takes 30. Oh, that's a lot. Actually, it's a lot more than I thought it was. All right, so yeah, I can't quite do that just yet. I mean, we can, but I just don't feel like it. I'm gonna be completely honest. And we'll have our awesome shop. Right here. Like a front to this. All right, so awesome shop is where you use your points to buy things. You see 10 coupons for this. Boombox. Ooh, a boombox. I didn't know all this stuff was in here. Goat simulator. And you have like managements. You have hanging conveyor things, wall mounts, floors, things like that. Really helpful stuff. Paint finishes, which I'm pretty sure is new. Foundations. Oh, they have stairs? That's interesting. I don't think they had stairs last time I played this. What else is new in here? Walls. I think everything else looks more or less this. Window walls might be different. Architecture stuff. Construction fences are for sure new. I think the barriers are also... Well, at least this metal barrier is new. I'm pretty sure I saw that in a trailer or something. Equipment, got the coffee cup. And you can also buy parts out of here, but unless you're desperate, you really shouldn't. So, now that all that is good to go, let's go ahead and not drag the episode out too long here, doing just stuff we don't need to do. And let's get logistics mark 2. So for that we need 50 reinforced plating, 200 concrete, 300 rods. Concrete check, rods, plating, and a little bit more of that. But other than that, there should be just a waiting game. And by waiting game, I mean I'm going to go ahead and probably craft some of the reinforced plating because we need it for Mark II logistics, which will speed up the reinforced plating. So yeah, so like at times like this, you can either just sit around and wait, or just, you know, still have to manually craft some things, but obviously you want to minimize that. So we go ahead and give it all that, and give it some of the smart plating, but then go ahead and reinforce. I don't know why I keep calling it smart. Yeah, I'll go and craft some of this, and then by the time I'm done crafting this, our assembler should have made the rest. So it did not. I think we had 3. Oh, it did. Okay. We have 1 extra. Very nice. And we'll go ahead and shove the rest of that in there. And now we have... Oh, nice. Good schlan there.
Milestone reached. Fixit would like to remind you of your contractual obligation towards efficiency. Recreational use of belts and lifts does not count towards work hours and will put you on the list.
No!
Stay efficient. Don't disappoint, Fixit.
Yeah, I love this new and improved data. And it might be from the release, it might not. Not totally sure. I haven't kept up with it that much. But, so, Mark II belts. What do Mark II belts do, you Mason? Come down to logistics, you'll see Mark I belts can transport up to 60 resources per minute. And here they can produce move 120. So, our first place of business here that needs to be upgraded is right here. But we need 3 smart plating, or reinforced. I don't know why I keep talking about smart plating. I don't know. So reinforced plating is what you need to make Mark II belts. If we just go ahead here, we need a level 2 belt here because it needs to move more of these. And since we're splitting a 120 belt into 2, now our Mark I belts are fully stocked, moving 60. And this should be moving a little bit faster now. This belt also will... Actually, I think it's moving quite quickly. This belt might also need to be a Mark II, and then I think this one probably as well. And maybe this one also. How much does it make in a minute? 40? Yeah, so we'll need to convert a couple of these so that it makes screws better. Yeah, with using Mark II belts here, we've already gone from, we're doing like, what, 15 a minute in screws over here to 60 each side. This one, I'm pretty sure is the one that needs 100. Yeah, once we get the enough smart or reinforced, I'm gonna hit myself. I don't know what's happening. Once we get enough reinforced, I'll upgrade this belt to Mark II as well. But we need to move these to Mark II so we can move more products. Oh, there's some more smarts. Then yeah, this one needs to be Mark II, and then this one needs to be Mark II, and that's 40, 80. This one needs to be Mark II as well. Actually, now that I think about it, we don't have enough smart plating. Oh well. And there we go. That's our last reinforced plating we needed. As you can see, it only makes 5 per minute, which kind of sucks, to be honest. Because, like, just this right here, this build takes 8. But that needs to be upgraded, so now I can move 120 on this belt. Because this needs 100, and this only needs 60. So keep this at Mark 1. We'll keep this thing full at 60 a minute. And then everything else will get moved onto this belt. It'll be over 60 on this one, but not 120, I think. It could be 120. Mark II, right? Yeah. But now all these should move a little bit quicker. Okay, what's next on our list here? We need to do jump pads before we can unlock our tier 3 stuff. So jump pads take 50 rotors, 300 plates, and 150 cable. I can give you that. Go ahead and give you all these plates, and then we'll grab some more, and then we'll see about our rotor production. See where that's at. How many plates do we got, Dylan? We've been using quite a bit for other things, like these milestones, which is why I did not want to use them for those assembly lines down there. So there we go. And then we need 50 rotors. I assume we don't have 50. We do have 33, which is a lot more than I thought we were going to have, to be honest. Now it's just another waiting game. Now that we have our 50 rotors, go ahead here, launch it, and now we have jump pads.
Milestone reached. The Fix-It jump pad combines high technology and innovation for optimized factory traversal and an ideal travel experience. Clarification. Ideal travel experience not guaranteed. Individual results may vary. Pioneers are responsible for all workplace accidents resulting from jump pad usage.
All right. Thank you. And I usually don't use jump pads too much, but I'm going to see what I can do with this traversal here, if I can make it any easier. Because it is kind of annoying running back and forth. I don't know if I can be able to launch myself to that ledge or not from the platform up here. But we shall see. So I think between cuts, I went ahead and extended the platform a little bit. And now we're just storing what we're making. Yeah, nothing. Nothing too crazy. Let's see here. If we make a jump pad. Oh. Oh, no. You send it. Where are you? How do I control? Let's see. Let me put it here, though. That should be good. Then. No. Yes. Just go on here. We launch ourselves. Boom. Nice, easier traversal. I mean, not... doesn't completely fix it. It's still kind of long, but makes it a little bit better at least. So it turns out to unlock Phase 3, we've done everything we can so far to make Phase 3. We need to make a space elevator. It's time. That's actually really cheap for what we've been doing so far. So to make a space elevator, we're going to need 500 concrete, 250 iron plates, 400 rods, and 1,500 wire. How much do we got in here? It's chilling. Answer, not enough. Got any rods? Oh, we don't need screws. We got a lot of screws going, though. Okay, so this, we for sure have enough iron rods, iron plates. We now have enough iron plates. We need a couple more wire. And it's kind of nice because this will be a nice way to end out the episode, I think. And with building the space elevator, just a little bit more wire. Very nice. And now we just need 127 more concrete. If I did that math right. There's always a possibility I didn't. Alright, yeah, we're not close. Waiting game. think instead of doing a waiting game, we need to make concrete better. So we're producing 60. This takes 45. Or this takes, yeah, 45 per minute. So we can actually downgrade this. We can underclock. We make another what do you call it? Constructor, then underclock it. So it takes in the remaining, what, 15? Yeah, the remaining 15. So I think that's what we'll do. And there we go. Went here, went ahead and split this into two. So this one will take 45 per minute. And then we need to underclock this one, only do 15. Oh, it's a little less. Do 5 per minute. So if we do 5, there we go. 5 per minute takes in 15. So now this will move slower, but also take up use less power. But now we use the full 60 instead of just the 45 we were being able to take advantage of earlier. We'll go ahead here and then merge this, and there we go. 100% efficiency concrete. While we wait on the concrete, though, there is a power slug up there. I want to see if we can get to it or not. So come up to the vines. We should be able to just climb these, right? I thought I could climb them. Right? Oh. I thought that was an option. That's why I've been leaving it. Alright, maybe not. When in doubt, just build a ramp. Now we should be able to get to this power slug, which is very nice. Thank you. And then go down control, I can mass dismantle stuff. Gotta make sure not to dismantle anything down there. And there's also another power slug. Oh god. Over here, which I will also grab. Ooh. That's a very annoying boy right there. Go ahead and start ramping up. That might not be. There we go. Here we go. Please give me the power of the slug. There we go. And we've been spotted by Fireball, man. And we do not have the good zapper yet. Oh, there we go. That was faster than I thought.
Samples of unknown alien species acquired. Their weaponized plasma is most likely stored as a stable chemical substance in an organ close to their mouth, and only turns volatile when exposed to one of the chemical elements in the air. Research the remains in the MAM to establish classification and potential countermeasures.
We will start the research for that. Boom. So we still need 5.
The remains researched belong to an organism that tends to nest near objects emitting specific types of resonance. Spitters are called as such due to their ability to create and spit plasma across long distances. Spitter remains can now be made into alien protein, and additional research may reveal options for improving Pioneer safety during exploration.
Thank you. And now we're just 50 concrete shorts of being able to build the space elevator. So, our next point of business is deciding on where to put said space elevator. I don't want to put it up there, but I'm not sure. And no, I see a boulder up there that we won't be able to destroy, so I guess we can just put it here for now. Right on this platform. Seems good enough. I'll definitely be moving it later in the series, but for now, it'll be its home. Okay. We now have the materials needed for this space elevator. It is very large, as you can see. Can't really see where would be a good spot to put it. Boom, right there. And achievement unlocked for building space elevator. Must watch it be built. Yes. Very nice. And that's only the beginning. Open up its talons. What's that up there? The light took a little off. Oh. Ooh. Fancy. Now the station's down. We have a space elevator.
Project assembly initialized. Congratulations, Pioneer. The space elevator will now automatically connect with the Project Assembly orbital platform. Project assembly is divided into phases, each of which require the delivery of project parts, such as smart plating, via the space elevator. Subsequent phases unlock access to new tiers with more advanced technologies to construct, automate, explore, and exploit. It is time to be honest. This project is part of the Save the Day program, the largest united undertaking in human history, destined to save us all. Earth is in peril and only Fix-It pioneers offer hope for survival. Fix-It is counting on you. Humanity is counting on you. Do not let Fix-It down.
That's part of the story. Earth is in trouble and we need to fix it. Get it? So, yeah. So in order to unlock phase 3, we need to make this smart plating now. And that's something that's not really, I don't think you need to automate it. Just because it's so well, it's not really used for mass crafting, I don't think. So you could put it in an assembler like this, but in order to make smart plating, let's see. Smart plating needs, yeah, just one or reinforced and one rotor. So we need 50 of each, and I'm not really sure how much we have saved up. Oh, we have 100 of those. That's nice. 38 of that. So we have 41. We need 9 more. So I think we'll go ahead and craft this. I'll wait for 9 more rotors. Craft it in an episode. All right, I was looking and I totally forgot that you can't craft the space elevator components just in a workbench. So we do need to make another, whatchamacallit, assembler. And I'll just throw it in there manually. Again, not something to worry too much about for making mass amounts of. I'm gonna go ahead and just, I don't know, throw an assembler here, I guess, for now. Doesn't really matter, to be honest. Let's see. Get our power cables. Someone's gotta have an extra port, right? Do that. Smart plating. Need a couple more. Go ahead and throw anything we can in here. Oh, 2 per minute. Buddy, that is slow. Damn. While I'm waiting and hoping that power system doesn't, you know, short out, there's a cave under our base. One thing. I already saw one. There's one. Like, it might seem... Sure. Dude, spiders in this game, for whatever reason, are disgusting. Go.
Samples of unknown alien species acquired.
Down here.
Initial data suggests these are predators, but notably they do not have a traditional mouth or
Oh, wow.
eyes. There are, however, numerous cavities on their head which could
Ow.
fulfill a similar function. Research the remains in the MAM to establish classification and potential countermeasures.
Alright, and then down here there should be... Die, please. There should be different, like, special kind of ores down here. Sure. Oh, this is a big cave under our base. So we have to go through there, I assume, to get to whatever ores we need. But to get there, you need a toxic hazmat suit, and we don't have one of those. Here. Oh, it's a surface. Look at that. Can I climb this? No, I can't. Okay. That's just the way down. Hopefully, the smart plating's done. I think I'll need like 7 more. So. Ooh, it's almost done. There we go. I'll take those. I'll take those out. I don't want it more. That thing was causing us to... Our power system down. Go ahead and give it our... Seal it. And sealed. Unlocks tiers 3 and 4 as you see here. And just... Oh, not already yet.
Welcome to the Project Assembly Pioneer Progress
Whoa.
presentation. Congratulations, the Phase 1 project part shipment is now ready for delivery. On delivery, Phase 1 will be completed and the distribution platform will be constructed. After completion
Okay.
of Phase 1, the technologies of Tiers 3 and 4 will become
Automated
available
power.
in the hub.
That's what we want.
Highlights are automated power, steel production, personnel transportation, and many more. Completing Phase 2 of Project Assembly is your next main objective.
Oh, we do need
New
more spark
project
plating.
parts will need to be produced and delivered to the space elevator as you have done previously. Continue to construct, automate, explore, and exploit for a better Fix-It future.
Thanks. Go ahead and send that bad boy. I feel like it does. There we go. Complete phase 1. Got that achievement. And boom. Sending all our resources to space. Oh, wow. Did it used to do that?
Phase 1 of Project Assembly completed. This is only the beginning of Project Assembly, the first step towards saving the day. You have
That new?
performed adequately so far. Reminder, not only is Fix-It saving humanity, it is saving all of Earth, including kittens and puppies. It is statistically likely that you appreciate the continued existence of kittens and or puppies. Continue the work for their sake. Continue the work for Fix-It. It is time to start the work on Phase 2 of Project Assembly.
Ooh, interesting. That's gotta be. I don't remember that at all. But there we go. Phase 1 complete. Objective next is complete phase 2, but that's not gonna be for a while. Because the first order of business, now we've unlocked this stuff for next episode. I won't do this one. Is. See here. Tier 3. Coal power, baby. That's what we want. Coal power is what we need. Let's see. What's in Tier 4? Expanded power infrastructure, Hyper 2, steel production, logistics Mark 3, blueprints. Yeah. Done. I don't know why you're here. But coal power, that's what we want. I might be able to do that right now, but I'm not sure. Either way, it's going to have to wait for next episode, where we will get coal power up and running and scrap all of this. I can't wait.